Wiring a schematic is a very dynamic part of the entire schematic drawing process. Allegro X System Capture takes a correct by design approach to wiring and offers many useful features to improve efficiency. There are three commands for making connections: draw wire, draw bus, and draw net group, each with a distinct color. When placing a wire, the net name can be manually entered and is automatically assigned to the wire, which can later be edited in the property panel. Color coding and hotspots help users identify where they can start or finish their connection. Quick actions, like Oops, in the right mouse button menu, can be used to undo vertices when placing complex wiring. For connecting wires to buses or net groups, System Capture automatically recognizes and places taps where needed. Likewise, special commands can be used to break out wires from already existing buses or net groups. Finally, special symbols such as off-page connectors or ports are easily accessible through the right mouse button menu. To edit existing wiring, users have all the required controls in the property panel, or they can make edits directly on the canvas by double-clicking. When selected, the property panel displays properties like net name, line width, color, and these can all be easily edited. Net constraints can also be inspected or edited in the constraint section of the property panel.